Hello guys, so today is Friday, August 9th, and in about 5 minutes I'm leaving to go get my wisdom teeth pulled out. I've been thinking of this day for like so long because I've seen so many videos of how people react after getting their wisdom teeth out. And yeah, I'm really anxious to see how I react. I'm super nervous because I don't like needles, and you have to get a needle in your arm for them to put the anesthesia in you so that you're knocked out while they're pulling out your wisdom teeth. And I also just like don't like the idea of people being inside my mouth, so I'm really nervous, but it's gonna be over soon. But I've always wondered how I would react to the anesthesia afterwards, so I'm going to take you guys along and film my reaction. So if you guys didn't know, people react to the anesthesia different ways. Some people are really sad and they cry a lot. Some people are super happy. And I don't know what the third one is, but there are different reactions, so we're gonna see how I react. Okay, so it's almost 11:15, so I better head out, but I will see you guys when I'm finished. Let's go.
What's wrong, Emma? Does it hurt?
You okay, Emma? You know why you're crying? No. Let me give you a new tissue. Here you go. I'm gonna go get your teeth, okay? I'll be right back.
You don't know why you're crying? Are those your teeth, Emma? Ooh. Maybe the tooth fairy will come tonight.
You wanna go home? Okay, so I have to make sure that you can at least stand on your feet, okay? No wobbling, so let's give it a test. Okay, ready? I'm gonna help you up.
Okay. All right. Let's get you home. Ooh. I will drive carefully. I usually do, Emma. Why are you crying? You scared to drive with me? Huh? You what? Why are you sad? Why are you sad, Emma?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, I'm gonna take you home first, and then I'm going to go out and get you a smoothie and go to the pharmacy and pick up your medication, okay? Alright. Do you know what flavor smoothie you'd like?
I like the lava flow.
Lava Flow from Juice It Up?
Yes.
Okay, I will get you home and then we'll take care of that, okay?
And do you know how to make mashed potatoes?
Well, I don't know that that's the best thing for you. I can go and get some other things that will be easier to eat, I think. What else do you feel like?
I want some ice cream.
Ice cream? Okay, I can go out and get some groceries in a little bit as well, okay? No, it's not ugly. It's not ugly, Emma. It's gonna get more swollen though before it gets better, okay? But that's normal.
Sorry guys, I'm not in the camera right now.
Let's see if I can fix it.
It doesn't really stay that well.
Let's see if that works. I'll try and keep it like this. How's that? Wave, Emma. Wave to your friends. Are you feeling less sad now? You miss Dustin? Well, maybe a little bit later you guys can chat when you're feeling a little bit better. How's that?
No, he's at work.
He's at work? Okay. What time will he be finished with work?
3:30.
Okay, well that's not that far away. Maybe you can have a little sleep first.
Where are my teeth? I got my teeth. But why are
There's only two. There's only two. They took all 4 wisdom teeth out, but two of them. Two of them they had to they got kind of broken as they.
No.
So you only have 2 to show for it.
What am I gonna do with these?
I don't know. Maybe put them under your pillow for the tooth fairy.
No, but I don't want to get rid of them.
Well, then keep them. It's kind of weird to hang on to teeth, but okay. But the other 2 were kind of broken, so they only gave you the ones that look nice. Is there any flavor of ice cream that you would like?
I like Ben & Jerry's.
But what flavor is Ben & Jerry's?
I like cookie dough, but I don't think I can have that flavor.
Okay, well maybe I'll get something like strawberry or something without chunks in it, okay? Are you hungry yet?
Yeah.
But you can't have a straw, okay? For the smoothie, you have to drink it out of the cup.
Yeah. I want a smoothie.
Okay, well as soon as I drop you home and get you settled in, I'll go out and get one and get some groceries.
Is my mouth all bloody?
I don't know.
Stop laughing at me.
Okay, let's see if we can make it work. But you're gonna have to hang on to it a little bit, alright?
This car isn't very good for YouTubers.
Especially when we get onto the freeway, you need to hold on to it a little bit. Did it hurt having the IV?
It came up strong.
Did it kick in quickly?
I don't know, because I was just... That's what tripped me out. I was just looking around and then all of a sudden I just woke up. It's like I died.
But you didn't.
Is that what dying is like?
I don't know, I've not died yet.
But like, I don't even remember just fading off.
No, sometimes you don't with anesthesia. You just kind of drift off very, very quickly. What's funny?
I just look stupid.
No, you don't. You look like you've had your wisdom teeth pulled. Because you've got stitches in your mouth. They had to cut the gums and take out the teeth and stitch it back up with dissolving sutures. So you can only eat soft foods right now.
I can't eat candy. I can't eat candy.
No, you can't eat candy.
I eat soft.
What kind of candy do you want to eat?
Like Sour Patch watermelons or something.
I think that would probably sting your mouth quite a bit because you're gonna be sore in your mouth, Emma. I don't think you want to have anything sour. or salty for a bit. You may not be able to have candy, but you can have ice cream, you can have frozen yogurt, you can have yogurt, probably mac and cheese.
I don't like mac and cheese. It's Blake's food and it's gross.
Just maybe some pasta. And then I'll pick up your prescription. What's wrong?
I just look like a chipmunk right now.
Yeah, you will for a few days. I'll pick up your prescription and then I'll pick up some groceries that you can eat, and then I'll pick up a smoothie for you, okay?
Thanks.
Maybe you should just go and lay down on your bed while I do that, okay? I'll help you upstairs, but you shouldn't be walking around.
Whoa, what's in my cheek? Is there a cotton ball in my cheek?
Yeah, there's gauze in there. You gotta leave that in there for now because you need it's to in case there's any bleeding.
Why would there be any bleeding?
Because they cut your gums open. Just think, you can nap this afternoon, you can have some Netflix time.
When will I be normal?
I don't know if you'll ever be normal.
No, I mean, when will I stop talking like an idiot?
Well, right now you've got gauze in your mouth and you're kind of loopy from the anesthesia. So when that wears off and you can take the gauze out, then you'll be talking probably more normally. May not be completely normal.
I knew I would be sad.
What'd you say?
I know I would be sad.
You knew you'd be sad?
Yeah.
What? How did you know you'd be sad?
Because I know.
But why would you be sad?
Because I'm an emotional person, so I knew I was gonna be sad.
But there's nothing to be sad about. Right?
I want to see Blake so he can make fun of me. Where is he?
No, it's probably at the pool. Okay. I'll help you out of the car because you're probably a bit unsteady, so wait for me, please. Okay. I'll get your phone.
I want to show Blake my teeth.
Okay, you can show Blake your teeth. Okay, come and stand next to the car and then I can help you in.
That's some really good lighting.
Okay. Change arms so I can help you up. I don't want you to trip on the stairs.
Is that Blake?
I think it's Blake.
Blake!
Where's your teeth?
Blake, look. It's my teeth.
Why do you have them? You look high.
She is.
Oh no, my teeth!
Oh, Hey, let's put them back. Okay, they're okay, Emma. Your teeth are fine. I've got them. Okay. Okay, up we go.
This is a bad angle of me. I'm sure I don't usually look this ugly.
Yeah, it says it's best to avoid excessively spicy or hot food or liquids for several days.
No.
So are you going to be okay when I go get your medication?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Is Blake gonna stay here?
Yeah, I'll ask him to stay. Hey, Blake?
Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at all this gauze. My lips are gone. I feel like they're gone. I'm gonna go lie down.